Hello friends, today I am making kachumra salad. Chop handful of coriander leaves and handful of mint leaves. Then chop 5 green chilies, two average sized tomatoes, one onion and put it into the chopper. Add half a teaspoon salt and 1 teaspoon whole jeera. Grind at slow speed to get a rough chop of the material. Pour into a serving bowl. Squeeze lemon juice over the salad. And also quarter teaspoon of black pepper powder. Kachumra salad is ready. Makes a good combo with any type of rice dish, whether biryani, pulao or simple fried rice. If you liked the recipe, please consider subscribing to my channel for more tasty and delicious recipes.